Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The purpose of this video is for me to share with you step by step, what do you need to do to get your real estate career going. You've got a real estate license. Even if you've been in real estate for a while, you might be a brand new agent. You're wondering specifically what to do and what to get started. I know that your number one priority, and I say I know because I don't believe, I know that your number one priority needs to be getting paid. And I hear a lot of trainers and coaches and brokers and real estate agents out there thinking that you need to start learning paperwork and you need to start learning contracts and you need to start learning systems before you actually start making money. I think the complete opposite. Your number one priority is getting paid, because if you just prolong this process of learning and you become a professional student and you're not making money, this real estate career is not going to work out for you. So what should you be doing? You need to talk to people every single day, and you need to talk to as many people as possible. Why? What is the purpose of you talking to people? You need to find people that want to buy a house or sell a house. Now, I am very biased towards listings. So everything on my channel is really focused on you finding people who want to sell so you can list their house and you can sell it for them because they need the help of a great agent. And inevitably, even when you are talking to as many people as possible, to find people that want to buy and sell, because that's what's going to make you money, you may find some buyers. I believe that if you start taking buyers out and working with buyers, you're going to lose the focus and you're going to waste time that you could spend actually looking for listings, which is a much more efficient way for you to develop and grow your real estate career. So what do you do? Where do you start? Who do you call? I recommend that you sign up for some coaching or training, and I'm biased towards mine, SalesX Training. Check it out. Go to salesxtraining.com. Not only is it extremely affordable, it's the best training out there. Why is that important? Because you're going to be talking to people. You got to know what to say. And there are scripts all over the place that you can use. And every script is not created equally, and it will not get you the same results. My scripts are proven to be efficient in getting you to the end result faster. What end result? A listing taken, a listing sold, and a commission check. That's the end result. It's not spinning wheels, talking to people and previewing properties and doing whatever else and doing things that are inefficient. That's just going to take longer for you to get to the end result. So you need a mentor, you need a trainer, you need someone from day one that have done what it is you're looking to do, that can show you the way. Yeah, why would you want to reinvent the wheel, bang your head against the wall over and over and over and learn from your mistakes when you can learn from my mistakes? Anyway, this video was not meant to be an advertisement for SalesX Training, but hey, you do need a mentor and a great trainer, and you need to know what to say. It starts there. Now, what else do you need? You need access to phone numbers so you can dial the phone and talk to people. Now, you could also go door knocking. You can also talk to people everywhere you go. You need to talk to all the people you know. We call those your center of influence, like people that you know, friends, relatives. You have a whole phone book, right, of contacts on your phone. You need to let all of those people know that you're in real estate and ask them If they're interested in buying or selling, or they know anyone who's interested in buying or selling, you need to start there. But once you finish talking to all the people you know, what now? I said you can talk to people out and about. You go out to eat in a restaurant. You can share your contact information with the waiter, the waitress. You can let them know you're in real estate, ask if they want to buy or sell, or they know anybody who want to buy or sell. You could, the restaurant, the waiter is an example. You could do that with everyone, everywhere, and you should be doing that. But that's also limited, just like the number of people in your database is limited. What else do you need to do? You need to talk to people you don't know. And when you think about the people you don't know, there's different options. You probably heard of a geographic farm, where you select a geographic area and you mail information, you door knock, or you call that area. You do a lot of different ways to contact this geographic area. And it's gonna take a little time for you to start getting business, but you will. Business will start coming to you from these areas, even though it might take consistent working the area over a couple of years. But how about this? Have you thought about directly contacting people that you know want to sell? Because think about it, when you call a geographic area, you pick a neighborhood and you just call everybody in the neighborhood. Now, there's some services out there. I love Espresso Agent and Vulcan 7. They're the two best out there. They will actually give you specific information of homes in geographic areas that are sellers, homeowners that are likely to sell soon. So you can, instead of just randomly calling all over the place, you can target the sellers that are likely to be selling soon. But my favorites, there are two of them, expired listings and for sale by owners. Look, I've given you all these different types of people you can call, but here's the bottom line. Every for sale by owner you talk to, they're not thinking of selling soon. They're selling now, and they don't have a real estate agent yet. There's no better prospect for you to call. Expired listings. A large percentage of expired listings relist their house within a couple of days of coming out of the MLS. You need to go after those listings. And if you're brand new to real estate, I say go after, call them. Espresso Agent, if you go to my website, salesxtraining.com, and you click on dialer up on the header, it will give you a promo code. If you're interested in Vulcan 7, same, you can get the information there. These services, along with great training, is going to help you start getting business very quickly. If you're afraid to speak with for sale by owners and expired listings, I recommend that you just start day one. Okay, I've never talked to them and I'm scared of calling. What do I do? Talk to, okay? Like if you dial the number and it rings and they don't answer, that doesn't count. So when they answer and you have a conversation about buying or selling a house, those are the ones that I'm talking about. Those count. Two expired listings or for sale by owners day one. That's easy. I mean, like we eat an elephant one bite at a time, right? So that's super easy to do. The next day, 3. The next day, 4. And just start adding slowly and slowly, getting used to the conversation. And what I'm going to say to you now is kind of interesting. Have the right expectations. Expect that they're going to be nice, that they're going to speak with you, because most real estate agents don't expect that. They think FSBOs and expireds are rude, they're mean, they're nasty, they eat their young. They don't all do. Some do, but not all of them do. But how does it help you to expect negative stuff from this phone call? You're just going to dread it more. You're just going to be afraid of it. Why not expect that they're gonna pick up the phone, they're gonna be nice, they're gonna be welcoming to your phone call, and they'll give you an appointment. Why not expect that? What are you gonna expect? That they're not? Well, they're gonna, think about it. For sale owners, their house is for sale. Expired listings, their house was just for sale. You should call the new ones first. You know, always the same day ones first. Their house was for sale until yesterday. They're going to hire an agent soon. Why shouldn't they give you an appointment? So have that expectation. But also, don't get disappointed when you don't set the appointment. You know, that's the catch-22. It's the mind game that you're going to have to get used to so you can make a fortune in real estate. You cannot allow the people that say no to discourage you from making the next call, because this is a numbers game. The more people you talk to, the better chance you have of finding that one. Even if you're brand new and you don't have a lot of experience, just follow a script, and the more people you talk to, the better chance you have of getting that one appointment. And go out on that appointment, use a great listing presentation script. You should spend some time every day practicing and learning the scripts. So, you know, day one, you're going to start from zero, every day a little better, and you're going to start getting results. Even when you're brand new. I remember the first listing I took going back 26 years ago. I had no idea what I was doing. I was cold calling in a neighborhood, random people. Back then I didn't have access to, oh, this person's likely to sell. No. So my very first listing in my real estate career, I'm calling around and this person answers the phone, and I remember their name, the couple's name. And she says, oh my gosh, well, I can't believe you're calling. My husband and I were talking yesterday. We just had a baby. The house is too small. We want to get something a little bigger, and we're interested in selling. And I'm like, whoa, no way. I had already spent weeks talking to hundreds of people. And I said, oh, I wasn't expecting that, right? But I wasn't discouraged. Also, because I had already talked to hundreds of people. Anyway, I set an appointment with them for the next day, and I listed the house, and it sold. And they actually bought a little bit bigger home. This isn't the neighborhood I used to live. I was brand new. I had no idea what I was doing. They were a very nice couple. I actually sold them the house that they moved into, which is probably one of like a handful of buyers that I worked with my entire real estate career. Anyway, cold calling, random neighborhood, had no idea what I was doing. I just went out there and, you know, did my best. I had a presentation and I'm scrambling, and you know how things are when you don't know what you're doing. But when you do enough of it, you're going to get better every single day, and you're going to set appointments, and you're going to start taking some listings. Did I take every listing an appointment that I went on? No, absolutely not. Not even like the best real estate agent on the planet. You know, I got to a point 4 years later where I had a 92% closing ratio on listing appointments, but it took 4 years to get there, getting better every single day. And you're only going to get better by doing what you need to do every day. Not thinking about it, not talking about it, just actually doing it. And even in the beginning, if you do enough of it, the numbers make up for a lack of skills. And as you continue to improve and get better and better and more skilled and better at the communication and your presentation, you have to talk to fewer people to get the same results. And that's fun, to actually see the progress that you're going to make. Get started right now. You have an amazing opportunity in your real estate career. That real estate license is worth millions to you. Make sure you take action and you go get your millions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell next to it. I'll see you on the next video.